Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be running wire for a mini split so I can have heating and air conditioning out here in the garage. So I'm just going to do a quick video showing running the wire over. I'll get the wire in place, and then in a couple days I'll be getting help with the mini split. So this is Arizona, and for like December and January it's been warm, sunny, like 70 degrees, and now by the end of February we're getting like cold temperatures and snow. Look at this. There is snow on the mountain. So this little contraption is what we're going to wrap the wire around, so it'll spin as it's being pulled up through the attic. Okay, this is the panel. That is where I ran before to the garage for the charging. I'm going to try to run the wires in that if there's enough room. If not, we got to run a new pipe going up, a new conduit. So I will have to go back up in the attic again. I was up there last time running wire and I did not like it, but I'll be wearing this old rain jacket, gloves, these old pants, which seal at the bottom. So if you don't want to breathe in the fiberglass, I'll wear a mask and all this and seal myself up with gloves. Okay, so here I am about ready to go in the attic there. I've got sealed off here. I've got this rain jacket put over me. Put this around like this. I couldn't find my paper mask, so I'm also going to put this, wrap a scarf around me so I'm not breathing in all that fiberglass insulation up there. Let's just get this over with. Okay. Ooh, it's dark in here. Let's fix that. Okay, here we go. So the whole way you have to stay on these, otherwise you'll fall through the ceiling. Okay, let's find that wire. So basically you gotta stay in a plank position the whole time. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, here we go. Let me disconnect this. Now, feed this underneath. I go up in another spot. I'm not looking forward to this suction. Oh, here we go. Okay. That's what I have to crawl through. Let's get up there. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Oh no. I think I'm stuck. Oh. Jeez. I'm too fat. Oh, squeeze. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Okay. And here's the wire. sucker. And let's pull it. And we gotta take it way the hell down there. That tiny dot of light is way down there somewhere. Almost there. Okay. Now I've got it over the garage face. And I've had it. I can't go anymore. But let's go way back. All the way back. All the way back down there. Oh, this sucks. I'm hating my life right now. Okay. There's my light. I gotta crawl back through there. Gosh, how do people do this? I mean, you can see that, right? Look at that. How much wider than my hand. I gotta squeeze through that. Oh. Ooh. Here we go. Hey. I made it through. I could cry now. Okay, that sucked. Did I mention how much I hate doing this? This really sucks. Okay. The rod's not quite long enough to reach. I gotta grab that. Okay, hold on. Don't pull that. I'm almost grabbing it. Ay, ay, ay. This is the tightest space I've ever been in. Oh, geez. I got it. Okay. There. Yay! That's the wire coming out. Okay, we'll secure that up there. Run conduit down. Box is going here. Okay, it's coming out of the wall. Getting this set up. There we go.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay. The little cutoff panel is there. Looks good. Although that doesn't look good. That's a project for the next month or two. Redoing all the trim on the house. Get that painted. There we go. Sun's a bit bright today. There we go. That's what it looks like on the outside so far. Okay, so today we're going to put a mini split unit right here on this section of the wall. The mini split install is sponsored by Bloom's Heating and Cooling. I would highly recommend these guys. I really like them. I've worked with folks in the past and they are very friendly, very professional, and easy to work with, as well as being very reasonably priced. So if you live in Southern Arizona, specifically Tucson area, give these guys a call.
So that's like a Disneyland. Without me thinking it. And then we gotta try to set this in. Hear that snap? That's what we're.
There we go.
That's solid as a rock.
Okay, here we go. We've got this part wired in, ready to go.
So, just wrapped around it. That first.
Okay, that's the inside unit right there. It took a little extra time. We're here this morning finishing it up.
Yeah, look, see, it's already pulled the full back.
All right, we're pulling a vacuum.
That's work. You can see here. We're down to almost negative 30.
There we go.
That's what we're after.
Pulling a vacuum on it. Vacuum pump. There's the lines.
That's a good sign.
Right. So that's the sound of it on high. And on high, it's not very loud at all. That's pretty quiet. Let's go outside. Very quiet. Hey everyone. So thanks for watching my video. This is number 7 in a series of garage remodel videos. I've got a lot more to put up. There'll be, I think, 8 total. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. The Tesla garage is almost done with all the detail. So there'll be more videos coming up of other things as well. Please click subscribe up here somewhere. And make sure you click the notifications when it prompts you. That way you'll know when a video is uploaded. And you can look for Tesla Social at teslasocial.com and at Tesla Social C on Twitter. All right, thanks for watching.